Crazy Gamer back with episode 3 of my Let's Play series. And, let me fix that. Okay. Last episode, we made a house, a small house, and we were looking for sheep. And I didn't find the last one. And as soon as it turns daytime, I'm gonna go get some sheep. And I need a girl dog name and a boy dog name. So, leave a comment and leave a like if you too. So I'm just gonna play around and wait till daytime. Okay. Just gotta do some tree parkour. Yes, made it. Now where should I go? Up. Oops. Let's go up there and up here. And then let's go to the tallest tree I find. Like I'm Assassin's Creed. I'm an assassin. Spying on my dogs. The moon's going down. And I fell in my house. Let's watch the moon. I can see it. Nope, I can't see it. But it's turning daytime and I'm gonna head this way. I just need one more sheep. Okay, now that it's daytime, his mob's turned on. Let me turn that on so I won't be cheating. Oops. Do I have building blocks? Yes, I do. Yes, I found one. I'm gonna slice his head off. I'm just kidding, I'm not that mean. I'm just gonna kill him. I felt like killing him too. Let's head back and make our first bed. Oops. What? How did I lose health? I fell in the water. Why did I lose health? I really don't know what to do in this episode. And let's go get my other 2 wool. Where is it? There they are. Do I have enough wood? Get that. And my first bed is right here. I'll put it next to my doggy. Move, doggy. I'll make her sit on it. Punch her with a steak. Oh, fine, I'll feed you. I'll feed you too. Feed. Feed. Stand. Stand. Kiss. Yay, we got a baby dog. Okay, you sit down. You sit down too. Sitty, sitty, sitty. And now that I have another baby dog, I'm gonna take that dog. I'm gonna make him come with me wherever I go because I needed him to grow. Okay. Now that I have a bed, I'm gonna make my dogs a house because I said that I'll make a house. Oh yeah, guys, don't worry. I was gonna right when I'm done recording this video, I'm gonna start recording my how to get mods video. So don't worry about that. Where's my dog? Oh, there he is. He's so small. Okay, where should I build my dog house? I'm saying like right over here. Maybe? Up here. This is up here. Yeah. Okay. Get my wood. Doggy, come over here. Are you gonna follow me? He's a bad doggy. Wow, there's sheep right there. There's sheep. Do I have dirt? Yes, I do. Let me just fill that in quick, and let's get started. I'll make them a big house. Stupid tree. Okay. I'll make gate for them. Wait, I have to do something. Let's get some slabs. Let's get more slabs. I'll be right back. I just have to do something really quick. Okay. Oh yeah, I was making a dog house. I didn't say a sheep house, I said a dog house. Okay, let's do that. I'll get them. No, not yet. Let's go make some gates. That and fence gate. Let me make 2. I'll make my dogs a better house soon. Really. There it is. Put that there. Let's make some room for them. Let's put the dog in there. There's a small one. He's looking at me saying, "What are you doing?" Okay, you stay there. I'll go get the daddy. What's that? Where is he? Oh, there he is. Where are you going? Sit, and let's take you in here. Look, dog, it's your dad. Let's go get the mom. Where is she? There she is. I'll put her. I'll put her on this side so I don't confuse them. Okay, I'll put the small one in the middle. Come. I said come. Come, doggy. Oops. What is he doing? Oh. Fine. He'll be like this. They're gonna sit like that. Let me get them a torch. I'll just get this one. Okay, they're safe now. And let's go to sleep. And let's set spawn here, so if I ever die, I'll spawn here. Okay, good. Now let's go kill some mobs. They're already dying, so I'll just get their loot. Oh, that hurt. You don't want to do that. I'll design the outside of my house. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go mining because I think I said last episode that I'll go mining this episode. Let me just put everything I don't need. Like that. And I'll take this in case I need to smelt stuff there. And I'll take... That's it. Okay. Now let's find a small cave, like, close to my house. Let's just go over here, across. Like, do I have food? Yes, I have steak. I'll kill that sheep. I'll kill that cow on the way. I think I have enough leather to make leather boots. I'm planning on making this episode a long one, like 20 minutes. Sugarcane, don't need that. I'll kill this chicken. If it's, yeah, it's a small one. They don't drop anything. I'll kill this piggy and this cow. And let's go look for caves. Sorry if I'm not talking that much. Okay, let's kill this cow too, because I need leather. Okay, I'm gonna head back. Is that a cave I see over there? My house is that way and the cave's this way, okay. Let's go in there and hopefully get some iron for at least iron tools. This is not a cave. Let's go back home from this way. Might find caves. What's this? Last episode I was looking for sheep, but they're all over here. Now that I have a chance of killing them, I'll kill